Welcome to 9 to 5 Unchained, the channel dedicated to providing resources to help you start or grow your business so you can quit the 9 to 5. Watch this video to the end and see the bonus offer. Today's video is all about finding that right headline to increase conversions. Let's roll the video. The key to writing a great headline would be to produce a headline your target audience care about in what you have to say. That is it, virtually. After all, a few seconds is all it requires a reader to choose whether or not a headline interests them or maybe not. That is why your headline has to be catchy and resonate with your customer. A headline which is so powerful your customer just can't resist reading the article or watching the video. I have included a few catchy headlines as an example. Stop tossing and turning and finally get a good night's sleep with the best pillow on the market. Convert browsing customers into buying customers with this one little tip. 5 smart ways to eliminate food waste and increase your restaurant's bottom line. 10 ways to increase employee production. With over 1 billion websites competing for traffic, there's only one way to drive customers to your site. The similarities in these headlines relate to different topics. However, they all have a common denominator: pique curiosity. These titles offer hope that by reading an article may lead them to a solution to their problem. Avoid headlines that are spammy, confusing, or tricky. While these headlines may work, they are not a long-term solution to providing a credible business. Headlines such as scam, legit, etc. do inevitably pique an interest. However, once inside the article or video the discovery is made, the item or review is in fact not a scam or legit, and people will click away. You also have to be mindful, if you are promoting a product or service, some companies under their terms and conditions disallow the use of words such as scam, legit, spam, etc. So this is one sure way to get banned in your newfound business venture. Not an ideal way to start. This does not mean it is not possible to create headlines that your prospects will find irresistible and will entice them to click onto your article or video. It is a very competitive world when it comes to attracting your customers. Be prepared to write and split test headlines before you may find one that provides you with your outcome. This may sound like a lot of work, and maybe it is for someone who is a newbie to the e-commerce space. Crafting a headline and content are 2 elements that you will get right. Practice makes perfect. There are many free tools and advice both on YouTube and websites that will assist you. There is always the option of paying for headlines and content. I understand that this option may not be viable for people who are just starting their journey. Take action today and start playing around with headlines. You might be surprised at how much your headline changes as you write and rewrite those titles. But don't throw away the non-winners. Those words could be perfect for a different project. As a bonus to you, I am giving you a free ebook on a list of words I have accumulated over the years that have helped me form my headlines. Click the link below to grab your list, and I am sure this will assist you. Thanks for watching. In my next video I will be looking at the paid options for creating content and headlines for your website, YouTube video, or advertising. Until then, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and smash that bell icon. Leave a comment if you want to see any other videos. Thanks to Rob of San Antonio who requested this video presentation.